Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you that the Pixar 10 and out 2023. Let's start the video. Robin Givens. Roleplay as Julian Johnson. Date of birth is 27 November 1964 and age is 58 years old. Next is Tyler Kalupa. Roleplay as Jessica Meyer. Date of birth is 14 October 1990 and age is 32 years old. Next is Edwell Akinyu. Roleplay as Severin Johnson. Date of birth is 22 August 1967 and age is 55 years old. Next is Scott Cohen. Roleplay as Ezra Wall. Date of birth is 19 December 1961 and age is 61 years old. Next is Alex Saxon. Roleplay as Gabriel Johnson. Date of birth is 10 September 1987 and age is 35 years old. Next is Monzem Maker. Roleplay as Lonnie Campo. Date of birth is 19 December 1980 and age is 32 years old. Next is Merrick Lucas. Roleplay as Reaper Allgood. Date of birth is 11 January 1972 and age is 50 years old. Next is Breckin Meyer. Roleplay as Alan West. Date of birth is 7 May 1974 and age is 48 years old. Next is Merritt Dongate. Roleplay as CJ Emerson. Date of birth is 6 August 1971 and age is 51 years old. Next is Adam Rana. Roleplay as Matthew Kohler. Date of birth is 28 August 1977 and age is 45 years old. Next is Robin Tony. Roleplay as Maya Travis. Date of birth is 19 June 1972 and age is 50 years old. So friends, I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please hit like the button and subscribe our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this.